You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this brand name or this company name, also known as Financial Corporation, an American bank, if you want to learn more names of different banks that are confusing. And crypto, make sure to stay tuned. Truist Bank, Truist as in Truist, Truist Financial or Truist Financial Bank Holding Company. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.